So, every other Sunday after 2 o'clock, me and my buddies get together and we play tabletop games. Borderlands, Fallout, and D&D. Borderlands was the last tabletop game that we played, and that was part of a campaign. Actually, it was the end of the campaign. And Tiny Tina and Butt Stallion were getting married. So we had to find something new, something used, and something blue. Well, the wedding, this is exactly how it pretty well went down. So the DM asked if anybody would like to officiate the wedding. Well, prior to this, I'd actually already put my character at the officiating position because I was going to be silly about it, and I thought the DM was going to officiate it, and that wasn't going to happen. So the DM looked at me and goes, I guess you're nominated to officiate the wedding because nobody else wanted to do it. So I was like, okay. And he said, you have to improvise the wedding ceremony. So, while we were talking and everything, and my teammates were talking to the DM, I'd actually used ChatGPT to kind of write me a short script on officiating a wedding ceremony, because there's no way I was going to be able to do it straight off the top of my head. And I had to rewrite it a few times, but what I did is I asked it for an actual wedding ceremony, and then I also asked it to do it as like the Princess Bride wedding scene, but to make it funnier. And after 2 reiterations, this is what it came up with. And I actually tried to do the voice from what they had in Princess Bride. And this is what everybody heard. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the most sacred of unions, marriage. Marriage is a commitment, a promise, and let's be honest, a lifetime subscription to sharing snacks, stealing blankets, and pretending to listen while your partner tells a very detailed story about something you stopped following 3 minutes ago. Now, before we go any further, let me ask, does anyone object to this marriage? No? Good, because there are no refunds, exchanges, or extended warranties once we seal the deal. Tiny Tina, do you promise to love, honor, and pretend not to hear Butt Stallion yell for help when there's a spider in the room? To always choose your battles wisely, except, of course, when it comes to deciding what to eat. Tiny Tina responds, I do. And Butt Stallion, do you vow to stand by Tiny Tina on sickness and in health, though good times and bad, and to never ever watch the next episode of your favorite show without them, even if you're taking forever to get ready? Butt Stallion, I do. Then, by the power vested in me by Google, YouTube tutorials, and this very official-looking piece of paper, I now pronounce you married. You may now kiss forever, partner, and begin your lifelong journey of deciding who takes out the trash. Congratulations! I'm not 100% sure if that was the exact voice I used, but all I know is they lost it. I started laughing after I got done, and then it was hilarious. So, either way, if you enjoy Tabletop, hope you like the story. I'm going to try to share the funnier ones if we ever have another funny one like that, and I'm going to try to do characters. But we'll see where it goes. But like I said, it's every other Sunday. This Sunday got canceled because it was just me, the DM, and one other guy, and not enough of us were going to be there. So follow me for more. If you like it, let me know, and I'll see what else I can do, and maybe I'll tell another story.